Apple, the renowned technology leader, is reportedly on the verge of launching two new models of the iPad Pro. The spotlight is on the 11-inch iPad Pro 2024 and the 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2024, successors to the 2022 generation. What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. In this video, we're going to talk about what's in the box of iPad Pro 2024. These devices are among the top-tier tablets available today. If you're curious about what comes with these premium devices, we've compiled a list of items anticipated to be included in the package. As for the unboxing experience of the 2024 iPad Pro models, we don't foresee any unexpected elements. Here's a brief rundown. What's included in the 2024 iPad Pro box? The iPad Pro, either the 11-inch or 12.9-inch model. USB-C charge cable, 1 meter. 20W USB-C power adapter. Apple stickers. The primary distinction between the 11-inch and the larger 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2024 packages will likely be the size of the iPad itself. Given the more substantial dimensions of the 12.9-inch model, its box is expected to be larger. What's not included in the 2024 iPad Pro box? Screen protector, a fast charger, a case. Apple's Magic Keyboard, Apple's Magic Pencil. Don't anticipate any additional extras such as protective accessories or other peripherals that Apple produces for its high-end tablets. Historically, Apple has only included a charging cable and a charger with its tablets, and it's highly unlikely this will change in 2024 or the near future. Is the 2024 iPad Pro compatible with the 2022 iPad Pro charging brick? In a nutshell, yes, it is compatible, so there's no need to purchase one beforehand. However, it's worth noting that the charger typically bundled with the iPad Pro series is a 20W one, which may charge the tablet's large battery somewhat slowly. If you have a faster charger, like one for your MacBook, it will not only work with your iPad Pro, but will also charge it significantly quicker. And that wraps up our comprehensive look at the 2024 iPad Pro. From what's included in the box to what's not, we've covered it all. Remember, while the package might not include all the accessories you'd hope for, the iPad Pro itself is a powerhouse of technology that stands tall in the tablet market. Until next time, peace out.